Hi.
Hi.
So in this chatbot, which we created, there are multiple main functionalities which are in the functions.
Right. So the problem we solved is the fact that right now there's so much news all around the world. Generally, the news is biased, as we know. People would probably look to more statistics and factual knowledge that have no opinion in them.
Because of this very wide audience age range, we wanted to make our program as accessible as possible. That's why we made two versions of our project. The graphical version requires a download and requires you have Python, etc. But then the non-graphical one, anyone can run on just the Google Colab website. One of the functions uses the Johns Hopkins API to receive data from the current coronavirus statistics from whichever country the user asked for. And that's the C update function. Thank you.